Here I have OMODA, and let me show you all display settings that you can change, that you can use on the OMODA infotainment system. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, so the second icon from the left down corner. From the following view, all you need to do is select the local settings. From local settings, of course, you need to use the left bar to see the display. And under display, you've got all display and screen settings that you can use. So the first one is display mode. As you can see, you can use the automatic. So the car light sensor will automatically switch between day and night themes depending on outside conditions. You can set up manually to day or manually to night. In my case, I think the night is the best one. You can change the brightness settings. You can set up different settings for your instrument cluster brightness or your center display brightness. As you can see this screen in front of you, this is the darkest and this is the brightest. Alright, then you've got the video limitation. It's quite useful. You can disable or enable this feature right here by using this switcher. And what it does, this is a critical safety feature. When you toggle on, the car blocks any video playback on the center screen as soon as you shift out of a park and start driving. If you toggle off, it disables the safety lock, allowing video apps to continue playing while the vehicle is in motion. You can also enable here the screen cleaning, quite useful. So right now you can clean your screen. If you would like to exit this mode, let's just hold down the screen in any place for 5 seconds. And the last option is restore default values. So what it does, it resets all display preferences, screen brightness levels and theme behavior back to factory settings. If you would like to do this, let's just tap it. This will reset all display settings, and please do not power off the vehicle during this process. This operation cannot be undone. Tap restore default settings to confirm the operation. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.